How to turn off notification on Instagram. Just open up your Instagram application. Go to the bottom right corner, click on your profile image. Go to the top right corner, click on these 3 lines. Go down and click on settings. Now click on notifications. So here we see push notifications. We have a lot of options, so you need to go into one of these. So let's say I want to turn off notifications for posts, stories and comments. So just click on that. So now you can choose what you want to turn off notification on. So we got likes. So to turn off notification on Instagram, just click on off. So now we have turned off notification for likes. So just go through the list and click on off. On everyone you want to turn off, alright? After that just go back and just go to the next one and do the same thing. Like that. So just go through the list and turn off all the notifications you want to turn off on Instagram. Okay, so comment below if this worked for you, yes or no. Okay everyone, so I hope this video solved your problem. Don't miss out on my latest video right here. Just click on this image. So I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.